A country where 96% of the land is desert. For thousands of years, billions of people have lived on just one river, the Nile. But now Egypt is breaking that boundary. They are creating a huge artificial river by cutting through the desert. Water is being pumped with powerful pumps, and it flows through a huge canal to the distant desert. The goal is one, to bring lifeless sand to life. But the question is, how was this impossible project possible in such a difficult environment? Let's know the whole story. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. Egypt's biggest problem is land. Only 5% of the country's land is arable, and the rest is a Sahara desert. But the population is growing rapidly. As a result, the food and housing crisis is becoming more acute day by day. To overcome this crisis, Egypt has started the New Delta Project, a huge plan. The goal is to create new agricultural land inside the desert, spread the people, and ensure future food security. That is why they decided the water of the Nile must be delivered deep into the desert. The first step was to prepare the desert. Hundreds of bulldozers worked day and night to level the sand dunes. Then a huge channel like a river was dug, about 150 feet wide and 23 feet deep. Thousands of tons of soil were removed every day. The slope was set along the entire path in such a way that the water could flow on its own. Then the channel was covered with concrete and a special waterproof layer so that the water would not be absorbed into the sand. Gradually, an artificial river was born in the middle of the desert. Large reservoirs were built to control the speed of the river's water. First, a huge hole was dug to create a basin where the water would be stored. Then a special waterproof layer was placed below so that the water would not go down. Solid concrete panels were placed on top of it. The flow of water is controlled by installing inlet and outlet systems. These reservoirs reduce water pressure, regulate the flow, and keep the entire system safe. Next comes the most important part of the dam, the sluice gates. First, a strong foundation is built, then concrete is poured over the iron structure to build a huge gate. Large steel pipes are connected to the gates, through which water flows in a specific direction. Each connection is sealed very tightly so that there is no leakage. This system controls the flow of water throughout the project, ensuring proper and safe distribution. A huge pipeline network is built to distribute water from the main river. Steel pipes with a diameter of 1.5 to 3 meters are used to transport water to distant lands. These pipes are installed inside trenches dug underground. Each pipe is welded together to make it completely leak-proof. Everything is set up in such a way that the water flows without a pump, only by gravity. This is how the water reaches the depths of the desert. When the water arrives, the real change begins. Green circles appear on the face of the desert, new farmland created through center pivot irrigation. About 200,000 hectares of land are now cultivable. Alongside them, huge cattle farms are built, where thousands of cows are raised. The crops produced on the surrounding land are used as their food. In this way, a complete cycle is created. Agriculture and animal husbandry together. As a result, food production increases and dependence on imports decreases. This project in Egypt is not just a river, it is a new future. This initiative is changing everything from water to agriculture, from food production to human habitation. Where there was once only sand, today life is being born there. This proves that with the right planning and technology, humans can make the impossible possible. But now the big question is it possible to turn all the deserts of the world green with such technology in the future?